Hello.
Hey guys.
We've got a special guest with us today.
Teacher son.
So this is we're going underground London. This is our first underground London from our underground London series. We do have to be careful that there might be sensors. Right? We have to be careful there might be sensors. We don't really want to be setting off sensors. I'm a little bit scared. Wow, look how far down this is. There's alcohol down there. What?
You know the medical shop right still the other. We've only just got 5% of the ocean.
What? I don't know what you're saying.
I was looking at how many great white sharks they've put in the UK waters.
Why are you doing that?
Scared of the ocean.
Why are you scared of the ocean? It's all about
She's not well in her head, that's why. Man, this is a lot of stairs.
oh my days.
We've got to come back up
We're gonna
then.
have to climb back up.
Yes.
Just saying.
Enjoy the going down, because it ain't gonna be fun coming back up.
Yeah, running from the ghosts. Like Scooby-Doo style.
Yeah. Wow. Look. Must be some sort of water or something there.
We never actually really have down the stairs.
Oh my god.
I probably have no signal as well.
Now we won't have no signal when we're down there, so we don't even have to turn it on silent.
But this is like, yeah, when the elevator's broken on the underground.
Well, there is an elevator there, and I bet it works as well.
It's probably the same. You know when they've got them signs that say
said, oh, you-
134 steps. Only used in emergency. This is that.
You got to remember, this is to resist bombs
Yeah.
and keep people safe. So you got to go down a lot. Oh, my knees are giving way, bro. Oh look, we're reaching solid ground.
Literally, my legs are shaking. I've had a long weekend.
Is it done? Yes.
That means. Make sure there's no cameras. Let's just hope there's no cameras here. What's that? What is that? No evidence on the first person. Is it open? Where? Oh God. Where? No, that's a lie. Whoa. Look at this. Tea. And Chloe. What are this? I thought it might be rooms. It's like storage rooms for where all the clothes and food and stuff.
Yeah, just stuff down here.
That was one of my ideas.
It's my bag, you know. She's like, what the fuck was that? Looks like it's still being used, isn't it? That's all fresh. There's all this electricity stuff as well. I don't like all that. Wow.
These are beds,
What the fuck? I'm not gonna.
I think we will be. We got to remember where exit is. Oh my bloody lord.
section in here. Dynamite.
Wow.
This is crazy. I kind of like it. Alright, I'm gonna go down here. Who's coming?
You want to go this way?
I'm literally shaking. I'm scared.
I'm actually scared as well down here. And the thing is, it's not exactly hard to access, is it? We made it a lot harder than what it. Nothing. It's here, darling. Yeah, it's here. It's here. It's the same thing. The lights are all on and everything. It's booking me out, bruv.
Do you know what it is? Yeah, it's got a feel to it still. Like, I'm gonna be looking at
This place is mental, bruv. Oh, what Donut is doing. Ooh. They come on by sensor then. You hear that? That's a train up there. Or it's our feet.
It must be.
It's Chloe, innit? She's so heavy footed. This is kind of. The lights keep coming on as we're walking past. So there is sensor down here of some sort. This place is mad. I'm not sure if these are racking or beds. I think they're racking.
What?
I think they might be racking. If they're beds, that's crazy, isn't it?
I feel like it must be. Remember, they're like trying to hide the whole of London down it.
Yeah, there would have been thousands as well.
Just here, like, just literally just here, chilling.
Oh mate, let's see what's behind this door.
No, I need to.
No, look. It's like never ending. Turn around.
Doesn't end that.
There you go. Wow. The hell. Look, that must be another exit. See if there's going to be sensors. Nah. No. There's more. There's bloody more. We've just done all of that.
Did no one just hear that?
What?
There's like banging upstairs. I had to go from
There must have been thousands of people down there. Well, that might be for the kids. She said, ain't that unfair? Yeah. This had to. Yeah, look, it's definitely bed. Look, it's got springs on it. I didn't realise because of all the hardboard that's on top of them. Hardboard, I said, not cardboard. Oh. Wow. Yeah. So basically, what would have happened is, let me just flip this round so you can see. Flip round. Yeah. What would have happened is, there would have been a 1 minute warning, which is a big like siren, and then Nan and Nanny Chaps and all the rest of them would have had to come running down to somewhere. Possibly. I don't think so. No, that was a long time ago now. It was like 80 years ago. She's breathing the same ear.
Without me, they would be lost.
We could get lost down here.
Yeah, I'm not on that. It's
I'm
like
not on that.
labyrinth type shit. But I'm
Yeah.
we can go that way.
Yeah,
and
we'll look down the end there and then we'll just walk back.
That's not exploring. You need to search.
What do you mean? It depends on what's down here. We'll walk back to near the beginning and then we go the opposite way. Man, this thing is massive. I don't even know why I got my light on. I'll turn my light off. Isn't it? There's no need for it. Wow. I've not seen anything like this. Why do you not do what I want you to do? Turn around. No. 1, 2, 3. Yes! Finally. Okay, so yeah, you do need the light a little bit.
Yes, because we're fucking underground.
Yeah, but it's bare warm, innit?
It's like when you're in a station, don't you think it's mad hot? Underground stations are mad.
I wonder what was the highest number we're gonna find, because this is 55.
They're going down though.
Yeah.
A few seats are 55.
What, is there nothing at the end? Oh my. Nah, stairs going down, I think.
Oh my god.
Shoot for my timbers like some pirate. That's an exit. Go on, Claire.
Mum? I'm getting really cranky though. What is that?
It's just that on the floor.
Mother's not good. This one.
Wow.
The further down we go, the worse it gets. Look at that picture.
I want to see how many levels it is. If it's like this every single level, we'll go back to near the beginning and just have a look. Yeah, I'm not, bruh, this is a long, big old place, bro. I'm hoping the other 2 bunkers are going to be open. This place is mental. I won't be hitting them tonight, but definitely going to hit them. This is huge. Yeah.
That's crazy.
You could literally come down with everyone and just
have a
little party.
On that. I mean, it's a good little spot, but
There's so many places you can run and hide.
literally,
The police came from what?
we couldn't find them. We couldn't find a way out.
Oh, look, we're going right down to the start.
What the fridge was on. What the fridge was. That was you. I hate you.
That wasn't me. Was it that, the floor?
Yeah, it was.
It was.
Yeah.
That does scare me a little bit. I feel like my gimbal needs to...
This is probably like people like hold their careers on this club.
Some document. Ooh, nearly fell over.
They're calling us pussies for leaving.
What?
They're calling us pussies for leaving. They say the pussies go that way.
Okay.
Leave it next way.
But that's not the exit either.
I look like that.
You know where we are?
No.
I know where we are. That's a sensor. That's a light sensor. Because it says M there. Exit M. And when we come to that door earlier, it had an M on it and it said exit. Bro, spooky. These can't be beds, they've got to be storage. Right, this thing is digging into my neck as well.
October 1973. Seems like someone was in debt, boy. Our client is anxious to redeem the mortgage and complete her sales as soon as possible, and so perhaps the outstanding matters could be dealt with.
Wow. 70. Oh, did you fart?
No, it's like a pedo.
You farted, didn't you?
No, I didn't. But someone.
Look at T's jacket.
What? What's wrong with it?
It's probably the same as all of us.
Shit.
I knew I shouldn't have wore this jacket or this tracksuit. Another one down the drain.
She's broken.
Oh man.
Stickers?
How are you finding all this stuff that I'm walking past?
I don't know. It's a train ticket. From London terminals to Birmingham stations.
That's what train tickets look like.
They kind of still do.
Oh, I
It
know.
might not even be that old.
Yeah, that's not.
It's got a scan thing.
Maybe it's not.
Yeah, it's not that old. Do not touch. Shut up, Chloe. My lord, I'm gonna have to edit you out the most today. Yeah. Why is it you scared of mum? You know I can punch you and your mum up.
You know I'm a grown-up lady now, Dad.
No, I don't. You idiot.
You treat me as if I'm a lady, don't treat me like a pen. Change your body.
What? Whatevs. Oh, woe is me. Victim Chloe. So bad being Chloe. No more beds. Yeah. Get some photos while we're here. I'll walk down a lot. Get some pictures. Thank you. I've got lights over here.
Yeah, but I've got a more in-depth
Okay.
one.
Have a less in-depth light, obviously. Tashana. She found a map. Yeah, it says it here.
A map to the police.
Switch room,
This is good.
switch panel.
Can we use it? While we're here.
Yeah.
Birthday party, tell me.
She wants a birthday party down here. Okay. Well, I think we know where we're going anyway. But Tashana, I need you to take a picture. Well, I think we can. You need to be in a picture. She's so weird. Actually, I think I can do it with this. Show people. Let me guess. We're back.
Oh, my eye.
Listen.
We're in P block.
Do we remember what one was to get out of?
That one, straight down. I know.
You sure?
I'm not dying. I know where we are.
I'm gonna remember you said that now, T. Alright, let's keep going this way. T's thinking, this ain't the way out. I know what T's thinking. It's just basically parallel lines. Two big long
Do you know
parallel
what, at first I
lines.
was a bit like anxious, and then I was like, okay, but actually, Shama, relax, because your irrational thoughts are going to kill you before anything else does.
What's that noise?
See?
See?
Why are you doing that? I was just getting over my irrational thoughts.
That's got to be a train, isn't it?
Has to be.
It's not a ghost, it's a train. Man.
God damn.
Alright, it's gone really cold here though. Oh, it's sort of gone cold all of a sudden. I remember right. Thing. Oh look. This ain't the way that we came in though.
Oh, it's not.
It's not. Definitely ain't.
Oh, what was that?
That's stairs?
Yeah, up there.
What?
In the top of the head of the spaceship.
What do you think this
It's
is?
a light, you don't know. Chloe's showing off because her cousin's here.
That's spooky.
Do you reckon this could have been like a... Nah, the door's not thick enough for it to be a cell. Might have been at one point though.
I thought it was going to be like deep down, but it's not. It's just. I thought it
It's
was.
gonna be a college.
Yeah.
There's a corona next to it. Maybe it was Godson's of coronavirus.
Yeah. Yeah, that's what it was, Chloe. Tell everyone what it was.
No, you filmed it. You didn't need to repeat it. This is very good top though.
Can't hear you anyway.
Shush that.
Okay.
Who did those from?
Can you move? I might have to kick you. Don't know where she's going. Look, there's an old water fountain.
I thought we were going peeing. That's what I thought it was.
Oh, some juice or some water.
You thought that's what guys pee in?
Yeah, you know that thing.
What, all the way up there?
Yeah.
No, I'm
Yeah,
done.
one of the tall ones because the two fell out.
What am I going to do?
You could pin to it.
She don't care about me. We're getting too fat to go through these doors.
What the hell is Hallam 1211?
No, stone wash, kind of good water, foam, powder.
What is this?
CO2, hallow.
In the event of it's just a fire thing.
Oh.
Protocol. Fire protocol. I've got a feeling that we've gone past our bit. That might actually be the way out. Huh? Because if you check it, it was two, like the map says, there's two long tunnels in it basically. And we've gone, I reckon that is the way out.
Yeah, dude.
It sounded like a little kind of eerie scream.
Yeah.
Like that sort of. I was trying to ignore it though. That didn't sound like a train. No. Why is it really dark down there as well? It's not so cold again. It's like it gets warmer and then cold and then warmer and then cold. I think that is the only exit because now the exit's pointing that way. Because remember, we just went down a lower level. There's only 2 levels to this as well. say only, it's bloody massive. You would have thousands of people in here. Look, that's what you're sleeping on, mate. It's not much different from a blooming prison bed. That's got to be rough, innit? And you wake up in the morning and bosh, straight on your head, donk. You're going to sleep with a hard hat.
Imagine if you was like 6'5".
Yeah. You ain't sleep. You're going to have 2 of these. Man. So if I'm right, this is going to go up to the floor that we was already on. Yeah. Yeah. Mate. What is that smell?
Dead body.
I didn't even fart this time. Like, honestly, I didn't. That is rotten smell. It's like dead body smell. All the lights down there, man. It gets really spooky when you see things on like this.
I'm definitely staging myself when I go home. Just saying.
Just say it. What does that do?
Any evil spirits, it's not coming with me.
Well, Chloe, you'll be alright. You had sage at dinner time. You had stuffing at dinner time, no? My mouth's really dry now. Wow, I keep thinking that the lights are flickering down there, man. It's spooky. It's my light. Yeah. This place is massive.
When you get your nails done and it feels really nice and like you make that sound. That's what it just sounded like. Someone just like, someone just did that. I'm not sure. You got to know,
Just shush for a second.
No, I'm serious.
That's a train.
You know when you sit by here, the little metal thing? And I was like, what the hell was that? That's what it is.
If anything, it's coming from that way. I'm not going back that way.
That is the exit.
We hope it's not.
Like, we came downstairs.
Yeah.
So,
But we
like,
came back up just now.
No, but did it come? Did it? Oh, so did it bring us back up to where we were before?
It should be. Yeah. This is the way. This is the way we came in.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, this is the way we came in.
Oh shit, yeah.
Yeah. I remember the phone and everything. This is definitely the way we came in. Let's see if this door is open.
It's a telephone.
What is that as a propeller? That must have been some sort of air intake. For you to stay underground, you must have had some sort of air intake. What is this? Look at that down there, if you're not seeing there. I'm showing them down there. you want to go down there? Let's have a look at the control panel. Look at that. That's the most amazing light bulb you'll ever see in your life. What the hell? It's some sort of light bulb. Look at it. I don't know what it is, mate.
That's crazy.
That is. I need to get some pictures. Yeah. Chloe, I've got one pair of hands because you don't help. I want to hold lights, cameras, action, everything. Shh.
Yeah, teach you how to film.
Yeah, I don't teach you how to film. We tried that, remember? We tried it, didn't we?
Yeah, we did, and it was great, and you didn't see it.
You didn't? Yeah, we didn't see anything. We saw the floor. Whatever, Trevor.
Don't even know. Twist handle and ratchet.
Anyone knows what this stuff is, you're more than welcome to leave comments. Obviously, I think this is just a fuse box. That's some sort of generator or something, isn't it? I don't know what it is, bro. That there. Gimbal, don't you start messing up.
Because it's got back.
Wow.
Vending machine didn't have that. So it's a vending machine.
That way, babe?
Poppies and Camden fish and chips. Oh, I could go for fish and chips.
Poppies of Camden.
Is it even still around?
I don't know.
Should look it up.
Looks like it's meant to be old, but not old, if you know what I mean. Look, there's some yoga mats.
Can we actually go down there?
We could if you wanted to.
Yeah, I do.
What, you really want to go down there?
Yeah, I do.
I think it's the sewage, babe.
Oh. No, never mind. If it is. Oh, no, I want to go down. Don't be so near that. That gives anxiety stop.
But the way Chloe got a kick in the face, it was quite hilarious.
I'm so sorry. Nah.
Don't apologise, it was funny as fuck. I know. You want to.
Oh my days, this is the workout that I need for the year.
Well, I'm thinking.
What, try the lift?
That is not going to work. You see how.
Oh, I might have done all the lights on.
I'm not getting in there.
That's an alarm there. Yeah, probably best not to. Oh, that's why. I think we need a key. No, that's not a key. No.
The key, Dad, it's just broken down at the bottom. Have you not seen it?
Oh no. It might be to push that flap. I don't know. You see that in there? Huh?
It's at the bottom, it's broken.
It's broken.
Yeah, at the bottom.
A second.
I'm in!
To Charlotte. T wins. Is this what Chloe's on about, isn't it?
Look at this up here. This way. I want a double triple day.
Double, triple day. So Chloe's going to drink the Tropicana that's sitting on the side. Hi.
It was a double triple day.
You are
When you're ready.
minging. Peoples. I think that is the Explore. T's channel is in the description. Make sure you press it.
Whoop whoop.
Say goodbye. Bye.
Later.